You are spanked, poked, prodded, pumped full of chemicals, and treated like a lab rat, or some sort of alien being. This continues, until after you are dead, until your body is burned or buried in the ground. The average child, if lucky, spends a few years being pampered and lovingly taken care of, before they are forced into the program we call life. This program of indoctrination into being a quote-unquote productive member of society begins at the average age of 4 years old, in what is called preschool. Preparing children for their next 13 years of quote-unquote education, which is in reality, brainwashing, indoctrination, and programming. At the end of these 13 years of indoctrinating slavery camps, one receives a certificate of completion, a diploma, aka papers, showing they have believed all of the lies the system has brainwashed them with, and they have officially completed their indoctrination of slavery, and are ready to begin their life in the slave system. The quote-unquote lucky ones actually pay to continue their quote-unquote education, going into debt, before ever entering the beast system of slavery, and many still pay for this extra indoctrination after they retire. This program has trained the majority well, trained them to fight for the system of enslavement, trained them to persecute anyone who steps outside the system's box, who awakens from the dream, starts thinking for themselves. Those who are capable of seeing reality, and the big picture of what is really going on.